If you understand English but still feel native speakers talk too fast or too casually, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining, this is Learn English with Gifty. Today, I'll teach you phrasal verbs you must know if you want to sound more natural in English. Now, native speakers don't just use big grammar rules. They use phrasal verbs every single day. If you don't understand them, conversations can feel confusing. Let's fix that today. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word like up, out, on, or off. Together, they create a new meaning. For example, look is different from look up. Phrasal verbs are everywhere in conversations, emails, movies, interviews, and even social media. If you avoid them, your English sounds too formal. If you use them, then your English sounds more natural. Get up means to wake up or leave your bed. For example, I get up at 6 a.m. She got up late today. Okay? The second one here is go out. Now, when someone says you should go out, it means they're telling you to leave your house to have fun, to socialize, or do interesting things. For example, let's go out tonight. I don't feel like going out. The next one is come back. Come back simply means to return. For example, please come back soon. He came back from work very late. For run out of, it means that there is no more of something. For example, I say, we ran out of milk, meaning there is no more milk. Or I'm running out of time, meaning I don't have much time left. Up next is hangouts. Now, hangout means to spend time with someone casually. For example, let's hang out this weekend. They hang out after work. What about catch up? I'll tell you. So catch up means to talk and share news after not seeing someone for a while. For example, let's catch up soon. We caught up after coffee. You must have heard this phrase before. Turn down. So, turn down means to say no to an offer or request. For example, I turned down the job. She turned down the invitation. For show up, it means to arrive, often unexpectedly or late. For example, he didn't show up. She showed up early. The next word is set up. Set up means to arrange or prepare something. For example, I set up a meeting. Can you please help me set this up? Up next is follow up. Follow up means to check again after something. For example, I'll follow up tomorrow. Did you follow up on the email? The next word here is figure out. Figure out means to understand or solve a problem. For example, I need to figure this out. She figured out the answer. And finally, we have put off. Put off means to delay something. For example, the meeting was put off. Don't put it off. Now, with some phrasal verbs, the object goes in the middle. So, you can say, look it up, but not look up it. That's wrong, okay? C. Native speakers often prefer phrasal verbs over formal words. So, instead of saying, I will investigate, you can say, I'll look into the problem or I'll check it out. Now is practice time. Let's answer some questions on what we've learned. You can pause the video and answer. Good. The answer is out. I ran out of coffee. Good job. Now, which one is correct? Is it follow, catch, or set? You can pause to answer if you want. Yes, the correct answer is catch up. I'll catch up tomorrow. Good job. The best way to learn phrasal verbs is through examples and daily use. Choose 2 or 3 each day and practice them in sentences. These phrasal verbs will instantly improve your English. Start using them today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share with your friends, subscribe, and also turn on the notification so you can know when I post a new video. Okay guys, bye! Thanks for watching!